The question says, if the sum of first 4 terms of an AP is 40 and that of first 14 terms is 280, find the sum of its first n terms. Or, find the sum of the first 30 positive integers that are divisible by 6. Coming to the solution of the first part, we let A and D respectively be the first term and the common difference of the given AP. The sum of first n terms is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So we'll use this formula. In the first equation, we have n as 4, so we get this first equation, and in the second part, we have first 14 terms, that means n is 14. Hence, we get this equation. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we get d equal to 2. And substituting d in equation 1, or you can equate in 2 as well, we'll get the value of a, that comes 7. As I told you, the sum of first n terms is this, and as we have the value of a and d, we get the equation as n squared plus 6n after solving everything. The second part is also an AP question. The first 30 integers divisible by 6 are 6, 12, 18 and so on till 180. And sum of first n integers is n by 2, brackets a plus 1. Here n is 30 and a is 6. And hence we multiply the values and we'll get 2790. This is the answer.